Start with a truth that most people don't want to hear. The real difference between broke people and wealthy people isn't luck, background, or even education. It all comes down to mindset. Imagine two people with the same income living in the same city and having the same opportunities. Fast forward 10 years and one is financially free while the other is still struggling. What made the difference? Today we'll dive into the exact mindset shift that can change your financial future forever. If you truly understand this, your relationship with money will never be the same. Let's bring this idea to life with a story. Meet Alex and Brian, two friends, same age, same job, and both earning $4,000 a month. After covering their basic expenses, each has $1,000 left at the end of the month. But here, where things start to differ, their thinking. Brian believes he deserves to enjoy his money, so he spends on upgrades and treats. Alex, on the other hand, asks himself how his money can work for him. This simple difference in mindset sets them on completely different paths. Brian's approach is all about immediate gratification. He upgrades his phone, leases a better car, eats out frequently, and buys the latest gadgets. By the end of the month, his bank balance is back to zero. This is a common pattern for many people who focus on enjoying their earnings right away. It feels rewarding in the moment, but it doesn't build a foundation for the future. Brian's mindset is centered on spending, not growing his wealth. Alex takes a different approach. Instead of upgrading his lifestyle, he invests $600 each month, learns new skills, and builds small side income streams. He's not just saving, he's actively making his money work for him. Over 5 years, this mindset leads to real progress. While Brian is still working for every dollar, Alex's investments and skills start generating income on their own. The difference? Same income, but a completely different future. Story of Alex and Brian highlights a crucial point. Your mindset determines your financial outcome. Two people can start with the same resources, but their beliefs and habits will lead them down very different paths. It's not about how much you make, but how you think about and use your money. This mindset shift is the invisible line that separates those who struggle financially from those who achieve freedom. Here's the core shift. Broke people see money as something to spend, while wealthy people see money as something to multiply. This simple change in perspective makes all the difference. Broke people focus on consumption, what they can buy right now. Wealthy people focus on ownership, what they can build and grow over time. This is the foundation of financial freedom. Let's break it down further. Broke people are always asking, what can I buy? Their focus is on immediate pleasure and consumption. Wealthy people, on the other hand, ask, what can I build? They're thinking about creating value, owning assets, and setting up systems that generate income. This difference in questions leads to a difference in results. This invisible line between spending and multiplying, between buying and building, is what truly separates financial struggle from financial freedom. It's not about working harder or longer. It's about shifting your mindset to see money as a tool for growth, not just for spending. Once you cross this line, your entire approach to money changes. Let's look at the first major mindset difference, income versus assets. The broke mindset says, I need a higher salary. The wealth mindset says, I need income-producing assets. A salary stops when you stop working, but assets keep paying you even when you're not actively working. This is the key to building lasting wealth. So what are income-producing assets? Think businesses, investments, stocks, crypto, real estate, digital products, and even YouTube channels. Wealthy people don't just chase a bigger paycheck, they build systems that generate money for them. Income makes you comfortable, but assets are what make you truly free. Wealthy people focus on building systems, not just earning more income. They understand that true freedom comes from having assets that generate money, whether they're working or not. This approach allows them to step back and let their money work for them instead of always working for money. It's a powerful shift that changes everything. The next mindset shift is about time. Broke people want results now. They chase fast money, fast cars, and instant success. Wealthy people, however, are willing to wait 5 or even 10 years for results. They understand that real wealth is built slowly through patience and consistency. Think of building wealth like planting a seed. You don't get a tree the next day, it takes time to grow. Wealthy people think in decades, not days. They invest, let their money compound, and stay consistent. While others chase quick wins, they're building strong foundations that will pay off in the long run. Compounding is one of the most powerful forces in wealth building. When you consistently invest and let your returns grow over time, the results become unstoppable. This is why wealthy people are patient. They know that small, consistent actions today can lead to massive results in the future. Here's another mindset difference. Poor people spend money to look rich, while rich people delay looking rich to actually become rich. Designer clothes, luxury cars, and high-end lifestyles on credit may look impressive, but they don't build real wealth. Real wealth is often quiet and understated. Many people fall into the trap of spending money to create the image of wealth. They buy expensive things to impress others, often going into debt to do so. But real wealth isn't about attention or appearances, it's about freedom and security. Many millionaires drive normal cars, live below their means, and reinvest their profits. Real wealth is often silent. It doesn't seek attention or validation. Instead, it focuses on building a strong financial foundation. Many wealthy people quietly accumulate assets, avoid unnecessary expenses, and prioritize freedom over flashy displays. Their goal isn't to impress others, it's to secure their future. The deepest level, wealth isn't just about money, it's about identity. A broke identity says, I hope things get better. A wealth identity says, I create better. When problems appear, the broke mindset complains while the wealth mindset looks for solutions. Your financial level will never rise above your identity. Change your identity and your habits will follow. Once you change your identity, your habits naturally shift. If you see yourself as someone who creates solutions and builds wealth, your daily actions will start to reflect that. Over time, these new habits will transform your financial situation. Change your habits and your bank account will follow. But what can you do to start shifting your mindset today? First, pay yourself first, invest before you spend. Second, learn one high-income skill that can increase your earning potential. Third, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle too soon. Fourth, start thinking in 5-year plans instead of 5-day plans. And finally, ask yourself daily, how can I make my money work for me? These may seem like small changes, but over time they make a massive difference. The key is consistency. By making these shifts part of your daily routine, you'll start to see real progress. Remember, wealth is built through small, smart decisions repeated over time. The truth is, most people stay broke not because they can't earn more, but because they never change how they think about money. They keep repeating the same patterns, hoping for different results, but real change starts in the mind. Once you shift your perspective, everything else follows. Wealthy people see money as a tool to multiply, not just to consume. This mindset allows them to make smarter decisions, invest wisely, and build lasting wealth. When you start seeing money this way, you'll notice new opportunities and make choices that support your long-term goals. The question now is, are you going to keep thinking like everyone else, or are you ready to adopt the mindset of the wealthy? This choice will determine your financial future. The next 5 years of your life depend on the mindset you choose today. Make the shift and watch your life transform. Every day you have the power to choose your mindset. Will you focus on spending or multiplying? Will you chase short-term pleasure or invest in long-term growth? These choices add up over time and shape your financial destiny. Remember, wealth is a result of the decisions you make daily. To truly build wealth, you need to break free from old patterns and beliefs about money. Challenge the idea that money is just for spending. Start seeing it as a resource that can grow and create opportunities. This shift in thinking is the first step toward financial freedom. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to delay gratification. The most successful people are those who can think long-term and stay committed to their goals, even when progress feels slow. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Learn new skills, expand your knowledge, and look for ways to increase your value in the marketplace. The more you grow, the more opportunities you'll find to build wealth. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as your income grows, but this can keep you stuck in the same financial place. Instead, focus on increasing your investments and assets. This discipline will pay off in the long run and help you achieve true financial freedom. Wealthy people plan for the long term. They set goals that may take years to achieve and stay focused on the bigger picture. By thinking in years instead of days, you'll make decisions that support your future, not just your present. The questions you ask yourself shape your actions. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" try asking, "How can I make my money work for me?" This shift in thinking will lead you to smarter decisions and better financial outcomes. Delayed gratification is a hallmark of the wealthy mindset. Instead of seeking immediate rewards, focus on actions that will pay off in the future. This discipline allows you to build wealth steadily and avoid the traps of instant pleasure. You don't need to make huge changes overnight. Consistent, small actions are far more powerful than occasional bursts of effort. Focus on building good habits and sticking with them even when progress feels slow. The people you spend time with influence your mindset. Surround yourself with those who think big, invest in themselves, and are committed to growth. Their habits and attitudes will inspire you to do the same. Keep track of your financial progress. Set clear goals, monitor your investments, and celebrate small wins along the way. Tracking helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come, even when the journey feels slow. Mistakes are part of the journey. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, use them as learning opportunities. Every mistake brings a lesson that can help you make better decisions in the future. Curiosity is a powerful driver of growth. Always be open to learning new things, exploring new opportunities, and asking questions. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Don't forget to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated and reinforces positive habits. Every step forward is a victory on your journey to wealth. The world of money and investing is always changing. Stay up to date by reading, taking courses, and learning from others. The more you know, the more confident and capable you'll become in managing your finances. Change takes time and setbacks are normal. Be patient with yourself as you build new habits and shift your mindset. Progress may be slow at first, but every effort counts. Stay committed and you'll see results. Take time to visualize the future you want. Picture yourself financially free, living the life you desire. This vision will keep you motivated and focused on your goals even when challenges arise. Share your journey with others, whether it's friends, family, or a community. Talking about your goals and progress can provide support and accountability. You might even inspire someone else to start their own journey toward wealth. It's easy to get distracted by setbacks or slow progress. Stay focused on your long-term vision and remember why you started. Every small step brings you closer to your goals. Keep your eyes on the prize and don't lose sight of the big picture. Ultimately, your mindset will determine your future. Choose to think like the wealthy and you'll start to see opportunities everywhere. Make the shift today and your financial future will never be the same. The next 5 years depend on the mindset you choose right now. Now is the perfect time to start your mindset shift. Reflect on your current beliefs about money, identify areas for growth, and commit to making small, consistent changes. Remember, wealth starts in the mind. Take the first step today and watch your life transform over time.